everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I am here with, I forgot what I'm doing. Yeah, Oldies but goodies. Next tune, ATC cards. I'm pre-doing videos, so I lost my train of thought here. So this week's is the Littles and Pac-Man. Remember the Littles? I watched them. So this is what I did. I just did a little picture of the Littles. Got some bling on there. Got the Who group. And also, everybody knows this one. Pac-Man! I still have yet to conquer Pac-Man. Now Coda, he plays Pac-Man, and he's really good at it. I don't know. I think it's a just generation. They were born with it already. Ours came later in life, so they're an expert compared to me. So those are my two ATC cards for this week. So thanks for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.